Spectra 124. The best there is, the best there was, the best there ever will be. This is the best product of 2023 for football. Spectra Hobby Football. 2-box. Random for the parallels. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 dice, so you can see it. 9 randoms right there on the bottom. Nine, 1, 2, 3. Good luck. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Bottom of your screen, 9 randoms. That's great. Thank you, Jazz. Thank you, Jazz. A lot of people say that. I can be like white noise, or I can be like a nice little distraction from work when you want to look up from your work for a second. You know, most people have me on mute. Oh, John, you're awesome. Thank you for being honest, John. I'll do that. Let me get this all straight first. Now your teams are in order. There it is. Here's your draw. Okay. Let me get that money out of John's account. Yeah, but it's never a beatdown until you see the break. You know that. Even the bad team, you can draw the bad teams and get all the hits. Happens. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna slide this down to the parallels you can't see. There it is. That's the last parallel. So, Sky High signatures, rookie autos, and vet signatures will be included in this team filler. I gotta tell you, this is my favorite break. So, I love this. This is my favorite break. Good luck. I think I'm going to run this back, too. I think we'll run this back. Okay, how many redemptions are we going to catch? Looks like 1. Looks like we're catching 1 redemption. It really seems like the way I do it, the way I pick boxes, you only catch, the most you can catch is 1 redemption per break, which is great. All right, back up to the top. Good luck. Good luck. Guys, if you want to run Optic Blaster next, fill it up. We're getting closer on Immaculate. If not, we're going to work on the 8-box half case out of a fresh case. Clearly done, Russ. Clearly done, Russ. Jack Smith Jigba. That goes to the base spot. Kevin Hike. Joe Willie Namath to 60 base. Mosaic Tech. Brilliance. This card is just BS. Because this, this guy, has never been brilliant outside of a regular season game. To 15, and it's a jersey number. He doesn't like money. He doesn't care for it. Dakota Prescott. Brilliance is Doom Saloon. Jersey number. All right. Our one redemption is going to be a Supernova to 70 or 75 Spectral on-card auto of Quentin Johnston. That goes to the Spectral spot, which is sold, so it's not a team filler. All right. The rest is all golden. All golden. Lucas Van Ness, base. Ooh. That should go to the team filler, right? Yep, neon blue. This goes to the Chiefs. This is going to go to JKFTW. Mahomes to 50, die cut. J-Love, Max Impact, team filler. Packers, Jonathan. JBB. Radiant RPA for the Raiders. Kevin Hahn, Eminem. Ooh, I can't wait to watch him and Brock Bowers play together. That's going to be cool. That's going to be awesome. Wow, another one. Whoa. Whoa, we got a good pack. God pack. Kelsey, 40. God pack coming. This is a God pack. 25 building blocks of the mushroom. Who got building blocks? Ronnie B, my brother. To 25 mushroom time. Wow. Short print. Ultraviolet. Who had it? Who has ultraviolet? Paulie Kim. Paulie Kim. Best in the world. No denying it. Travis Swift Kelsey. He's a hyphenate now. He's a hyphenate. Ultraviolet short print of the best tight end on planet Earth. Cuckoo. And the God Pack finishes off with an on-card Spectral auto. Oof. Ooh, that's nasty. AR-15 to 75. 75 Supernova. On-card auto, Anthony Richardson. Beautiful. BEA. Beautiful. Nice hit, sir. Ooh, that's cute. Shot white base. Jerick McKinnon, Celestial 99. Ooh, that's going to look... Ooh, these are both going to look nice. Nah, one color. Monumental. That goes to Matty Danger Schnell. Trey Tucker. This is going to look really good. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I expected nicer. Building blocks of Jonathan Mingo, and it's numbered to 8. It's numbered to 8. It's numbered to 8. And champion signatures of a GOAT to 65. It's an on-card autograph of the best kicker in the world, Justin Tucker. It's not a bad box. That was box 1. Alexander Madison, 30. Ooh, 25 of Richard Dent. 3-color patch in the crush spot. Crush spot goes to Doom Saloon. The Doomy. The Doomy. Good patches. Spectral spots just, who has Spectral in this? Heath Fleming. Good day, mate! You're crushing this break. Mushroom Power. On-card autograph to 149. That's dope. Felix. Team filler card. You're crushing, Heath. You're killing this break. Tyree Wilson, Raiders, team filler. That goes to Smooth Brain. Complain Mojo, intact, even though that's not a big card. Crush spot. Nigerian Nightmare, Christian Okoye for the Chiefs. And this is going to go to the team filler. And it's going to go to Smooth Brain. Complain Mojo. Always works. Not always, but more likely than not. 75 rookie autograph. Trey Tucker, Raiders team filler. No, he didn't. Jonathan, no. He hit a Jonathan Tucker champion signature. He's killing the break. He hit an AR-15 on-card auto, and he had a Laporta on-card auto. Those were the Spectrals. Tyree Wilson, silver rookie for Kevin. Back to Kevin. Hendon Hooker, 75, silver. You're fine. You're fine, John. I was just correcting you. Brilliance of Kelsey, 75. And another Radiant. Yeah, this is, I try to say every team filler is great, but you're bound to have one out of 50 that isn't good. This one has not been good for the team filler. This has been hitting all the other parallels. The Radiant hits again. The deuce is loose. Deuce Vaughn for the Dallas Cowboys to 75. Radiant RPA. JPJ, 99 Celestial base. Ooh, that's fat. Does that go to Paulie? It does. Amon-Ra St. Brown. It's either a psychedelic or a marble. Infrared to 4. Nice Amon. Ooh. Yeah, the team filler got smashed this time. Jalen Carter for Rising Rookies. That goes to Doom. Marble. Yeah, you're right, Smooth. I think it's Marble. That's the Marble one. And the last hit is beautiful. And it's going to Kevin Hike in the aspiring spot. The Gibbers. 2-color patch. Aspiring RPA to 35. That's dope. That's a dope piece. Nice hit, brother. Nice hit, Kev. Sorry, hey, look, the team filler crushes almost every time, so you took a bad one. It happens. Recap. It's a good break, though. The RPAs. Here's the thing. I got to be honest. This is not the way I like it. But 125 of Spectra, I expect most of the RPAs to be bought. We went through 2 boxes out of 8 that did not have a true RPA of any kind. So That spot is very, very much due in the next 4 boxes because there's only 4 boxes left in the current case. Just a little info. Patty Mahomes die cut to the team filler. Amon Ra to 4. Amon Ra to 4. The patches were really nice. 25 Tucker to 15 Dakota. He doesn't like money. To 25 Richard Dent. To 8 Mingo. And to 25 Mushroom Power. Deuce, Tucker, Quentin Johnston on card 75 auto, on card Justin Tucker auto, Eminem, short print ultraviolet of Travis Kelce, on card Laporta, aspiring RPA Gibbs to 35, on card to 75 AR-15. Heath Fleming literally killed the break. Congrats, Heath.